I don't know about you guys, but I feel like having fast internet these days has evolved from being a want to a need. As content creators, we're always online doing all sorts of tasks, constantly uploading videos. But I'm sure you guys out there are just the same. Whether you're working from home or taking classes online, we all love when our internet is fast. But it's not always the easiest to attain, right? Well, this is a prepaid solution that aims to offer fiber-like speeds out of the box. Hey guys, it's Vika, you're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G. So let's get to it. Before we get into the actual device, I wanted to share with you guys this really fun holiday box that Smart sent us along with the router. So what do we have inside? Well, there's this soft pillow, some cozy Christmas socks, a big bag of popcorn kernels, a popcorn maker, and finally, the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G. This is actually the country's first ever 5G powered home Wi-Fi, which combined with Smart's wide 5G coverage makes it a really viable option for those who want fast prepaid internet. Opening up the box, we're instantly greeted by the router. Now this features a fun piece of art from illustrator Stephanie Bravo Semilia and is actually a limited edition design, so if you like it, it's really best to get in your order as soon as you can. Up here are its antennas. We have 6 on the device that offer not just wider coverage area, but more stable connectivity as well, meaning you won't have to worry about being disconnected even if you're far away from the router, maybe working in a different room for example. For the rest of what's inside the box, we have all the usuals, the manual, power adapter, and a LAN cable. We also have a SIM card included and it's already pre-installed in the router. And it comes with 20 gigabytes of data, might I add, so you can use it right away. Just plug it in and you should be good to go. As content creators, we almost always have more than one gadget connected, but that's not a problem for the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G since it can support up to 10 devices. But more exciting than that are the speeds we're able to achieve with this device. On average, we're able to reach up to 300 Mbps easy, and that's in the middle of this busy city surrounded by buildings. Fun fact, you guys, did you know that Smart was actually recognized to have the fastest and most reliable 5G network in the country? Pretty awesome. So not only are we able to upload videos that meet deadlines and have lag-free Zoom calls, but we can also enjoy, well, life. Kev can binge watch his shows on Netflix and I can go online to play at the same time. No problem. For now though, we use this as a backup device since we do have our home Wi-Fi. It's really useful to have in situations where we have issues with our main network. I sometimes even opt to stay on this 5G network so I can solo those fast speeds. But if you're planning to use this as your main Wi-Fi device, you still won't be disappointed. Quick story for you guys. When Kevin and I moved here a couple of months ago, we actually didn't have our internet installed right away. We had to work on our data from our mobile phones, which ended up becoming really expensive. It's situations like that where I imagine a device like this would come in really handy. Because this is prepaid, it's also easier to take control. You can even download the GigaLife app and link your account. From there, you'll be able to monitor your data usage and even register to different promos as well, all from one app. You can even get data freebies, earn Giga points, and so much more when you use this app, making staying connected both easy and rewarding. So again, whether as your main device or as a backup, we've had no regrets about having the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G around. I'm pleasantly surprised with the super fast fiber-like speeds we're able to achieve even in the middle of the city where buildings and interference are plenty. Being prepaid is also something we highly appreciate since it's easier to manage data and not go over budget. If you're still struggling for faster internet speeds that can keep up with your digital lifestyle, the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G is well worth considering. This limited edition design is already up for pre-order on Smart's official store for 15,995 pesos. Links and details down below. And that's all we have for today's video on the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G. I personally think having a device like this around the house is a good idea. You never know when you're gonna need that speed boost, right? Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, visit our website and our other social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.